Good morning, students. Can anyone please be confirm if my voice is audible or not?
Yeah, thank you. Okay, fine. All right, guys. We'll start the session. Yesterday's exam, Kyndryl test 4, numerical ability. Look at the first question. See here. Find the smallest number of 6 digits. Find the smallest number of 6 digits. Which one divided by 15, 18, 27? So that it leaves 5 as remainder in each case. Here, smallest number of 6 digits. Here we need to calculate in 6-digit number what is the smallest number, which one divided by 15, 18 and 27 leaves a remainder 5 in each case. See, first of all, you need to calculate the LCM of these three numbers. Why? Because if any number is divisible by 15, 18 and 27, it must be divisible by LCM of those numbers, right? So what is the LCM of 15, 18 and 27? Uh, Here 18 and 27, 15, 54 is the LCM. Now you can calculate 15 and 54. Here it is 3 table, 5 times and 18 times. Now here it is 18 5 is 90, 90 into 3, 90 into 3, 270. 270 is the LCM of all those three numbers. 270 is the LCM. And next, here he is asking us to find the smallest 6-digit number. As we all know that smallest 6-digit is 1 lakh. Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. Now, we need to find what is the smallest 6-digit number which is exactly divisible by, which one divided by all these numbers. It means you need to divide with 270. What is the LCM of these three numbers? 270. So divide smallest 6-digit number with 270. How many times it will cancel? Here, I think 273 is 273 is 810. 273 is 810. And here you will be left over with 190. And next you can drop down one more zero. And next 1900. 1900 divided by 270. How many times it will cancel? Around 7 times. 7 times 270 into 7, which is equal to 1890. Again, here it is 10. And next, you can drop down one more zero, that is 100. 100 is the remainder, right? 100 is the remainder. Now, if you observe carefully, if you subtract 100 from this 1 lakh, that number is divisible by 270, right? 1 lakh minus 100, which will gives you the number exactly divisible by 270. Exactly divisible by 270, which is nothing but that is divisible by 15, 18 and 27, all three numbers. But we want, if you subtract 100 from the 1 lakh, you will get a 5-digit number, but we want a 6-digit number, smallest 6-digit number. So that what you have to do is, you need to add this divisor also, that is 270 plus 270. 270. See, you need to add this 270 so that you will get the 6-digit number. How much it is? 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 170. 1 lakh, 170. Here, if it is exactly divisible by these three numbers, 1 lakh, 170 is the right answer. But here it is, there is a remainder of 5 in each case. If the remainder is 5 plus 5, therefore 1 lakh 175. That is the required answer. 1 lakh 175. Option B. Option B is the right answer. Yes. can anyone please be confirm? Is my screen is visible or not? Students, can anyone please be confirm? Is the screen is visible or not? Yeah, okay, thank you. Thanks for the response. Next question. See here. Find the smallest number of 4 digits. Which one divided by 4, 8, 10 leaves 3 as remainder? Guys, this problem is also similar to that of previous model, but here in the previous problem that is 6-digit number, now it is a 3-digit number. Okay. First, you can take a smallest 4-digit number, which is 1000. Now you have to divide this 1000 with the LCM of all these numbers. If any number is divisible by 4, 8, 10, it must be divisible by LCM of those numbers. What is the LCM of 4, 8, 10? 4 and 8 is 8, 8 and 10 is 40. LCM of all these three numbers is 40. Now you can divide with 40. Here it is 2 times 80, and next 20, and next 0 you can drop down. Now here it is 45, 45 200, remainder 0, right? Now this 1000 is exactly divisible by this particular 1000 4-digit number is exactly divisible by all these 4 numbers, right? And here he is saying that there is a remainder of 3 in each case, so that you need to add that remainder 3 also. 1000 plus 3, 1003, 1003. That is answer. Option B. Next question. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. The fraction, guys, for these kind of problems, always better to go with option verification method. Sum of the digits is equal to 9. Sum of the digits. First option, sum of the digits 9. Here also sum of the digits 9. Sum of the digits 9. Sum of the digits 9. Next. Next condition. Every option satisfying that condition of sum of the digits which is equal to 9. And what is the second condition? Fraction formed, a fraction is formed by taking 3 less than the number as the numerator. Here the numerator is 3 less than the number. 3 less than the number. Suppose if your number is 54, 3 less than the 54, 54 minus 3. If your number is 45, 45 minus 3. If your number is 63, 63 minus 3. If your number is 27, 27 minus 3. These are your numbers, numerator values. These are the numerator values. Coming to denominators, and 3 more than the number as denominator. Denominator is 3 more than the number. It means 54 plus 3. 54 plus 3. 54, sorry, not 54, 45. This number is 45. and this number is 63. 63 plus 3. Here it is 27 plus 3. Right? Now you can verify that that fraction is 7 by 8 or not. The fraction becomes 7 by 8. Once check your first option. Here it is 51 divided by 57. I think it is not divisible by 2 and 3. 17 by 19. This is 17 by 19. So option A is wrong answer. We must require the fraction as 7 by 8. If you take second option, what is second option? 42 divided by 48. 42 divided by 48, which is nothing but 6 sevens are 6 eights there. You got the fraction as 7 by 8 by taking the number as 45. That is the answer. No need of checking remaining options. Definitely you will not get 7 by 8 for remaining options. Option B is the right answer. Always go with the option verification method for this kind of problems. Very simple method. Next one. If A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, B is to 3, 4 is to 5, C is to D, 3 is to 7. Find the A's share of property of 2100. First, if you want any one of the person's share, first of all, you must calculate ABCD ratios. ABCD ratios. Why? Because total 4 persons are there and they are sharing the total amount of 2100. Out of 2100, what is the share of A? If you want the share of A, definitely you must calculate ABCD ratio. What is A is to be given? 2 is to 3. And B is to C is equal to 4 is to 5. And C is to D is equal to 3 is to 7. Now, here what you have to write is, here if you observe carefully, we have some blanks over there. You need to fill those blanks. Next blanks will be filled with previous numbers. Here, this blank is filled with previous number. This blank is also previous number. Here also previous number. And this blank is filled with next number, that is 4. And next, these are the blanks. These can be filled with 3. Okay. Now, our ABCD ratio, ABCD ratio, which is nothing but just take the product of these 3 numbers. That will give you the ratio. Product of these 3 values. If you observe carefully, in each and every product, 3, 3, 3, 3. That is the common value. That will be cancelled. Now, you can product these two. 2 into 8, 2 into 4, 8. 4 into 3, 12. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 7, 35. 5 into 7, 35. Now you can add all the values. Here it is 20 and this is 50. 20 plus 50, 70. Total ABCD altogether are having 70 parts. 70 parts is equal to total amount which is given in the problem. 2100. Therefore, each part becomes 30. Each part becomes 30. One part is equal to 30. Now the question what he is asking is, what is A's share? A is having 8 parts. A is having how many parts? 8 parts. And one part is equal to 30. 8 parts is equal to 8 into 30. 240 rupees. 8 into 30. 240 rupees. That is the answer. $240, that is which option? Option A. Option A is the right answer. Hope you understand. Next one. The average of 6 numbers is 3.95. The average of 6 numbers is 3.95. Therefore, sum of 6 numbers. Sum of 6 numbers, which is equal to 6 into 3.95, right? 6 into 3.95. What you will get here? 23.7. 23.7. Okay. And next, the average of 2 of them is 3.4. Then what is the sum of those two? Sum of 2 is equal to 2 into 3.4, which is equal to 6.8. And next, while the average of other two, sum of remaining two is equal to 2 into average is given as 3.85. So the sum becomes 2 into 3.85. That is 7.7. 7.7. Okay. Now the question is, what is the average of remaining two numbers? Total 6 number sum is known value, and 4 number sum we already calculated. Still we left over with only 2. Therefore, average of remaining 2 is equal to average of remaining 2 numbers, which is equal to sum of remaining 2 divided by 2. Sum of remaining 2. How can you get that sum? Total 6 numbers sum is equal to 23.7. From this, you need to subtract these two values, minus 6.8 minus 7.7. So after subtraction, what you will get? Here you will get 9.2 divided by 2. 9.2 divided by 2. What is 9.2 divided by 2, which is equal to 4.6, right? 4.6. Option B. That is the answer. 23.7 minus 6.8 minus 7.7 divided by 2. 4.6 is the average. Option B. Next question. Next question. Sachin is younger than Rahul by 4 years. Sachin is younger than Rahul by 4 years. Okay. If their ages are in respect to ratio of 7:9, how old is Sachin? How old is Sachin? Sachin is younger than Rahul by 4 years. And here Sachin is equal to Rahul minus 4. Why? Because Sachin is 4 years younger than Rahul. If their ages are in the ratio of 7:9, Sachin and Rahul ratio, which is given as 7:9. According to this statement, it is very clear that the difference between Sachin and Rahul is 4 years. The difference between Sachin and Rahul is 4 years. The difference between these two persons, how many parts? 2 parts, right? Therefore, 2 parts is equal to how many years? 4 years. 2 parts is equal to 4 years. Then each part is equal to 2 years. Each part is equal to 2 years. What is the question he is asking? How old is Sachin? Sachin is having 7 parts. Sachin is having 7 parts. Therefore, 7 into 2. 14 years. 7 into 2. 14 years. That is the required answer. 14 years, option B. Next question. Atul bought a machine for 4,50,000 and sold it to Irfan at a profit. Here, Atul bought a machine for 4,50,000 and sold it to Irfan at a profit. Irfan later sold the machine to Danish at a loss of 10% for 4,95,000. The profit earned by Atul. See, if you observe carefully, Atul is bought a machine for 4,50,000 and sold it to Irfan at a profit. We don't know that profit percentage. 100 plus X percentage. That is a profit. If you are getting profit, you need to write 100 plus value. If you are getting the loss, you need to write 100 minus value. After that, Irfan is sold to Danish at a loss of 10%. Loss 10% indicates 90%. And that amount is also given, which is 4,95,000. 4,95,000. Now from this, four zeros both are cancelled, and you can cancel directly 45 ones are 45 and again 45 1 11,000, and next 0 0 gets cancelled. Now from this, 100 plus X is equal to 1100 divided by 9, and next this plus 100 goes to right side minus 100, which is equal to 1100 minus 900, that is 200 by 9. X is equal to 200 by 9, that is 22.22%. X is equal to 22.22%. That is the required answer. Next question. In an annual sale, there was a flat discount of 40% on all items. And Komal bought a pair of jeans for 480 rupees. Komal bought a pair of jeans for 480 rupees. What is the labeled price? We don't know labeled price. Labeled price is nothing but marked price. Labeled price is nothing but marked price. Here, marked price is MP, and there is a discount of 40%. If discount is 40%, remaining 60% of the marked price, that is equal to selling price. Here the selling price is 480. Komal bought a pair of jeans for 480, but this 480 will be the selling price for the shopkeeper. Now from this 68 times, from this marked price is equal to 8 into 100. 800. 800 is the required answer. Option A. Next question. Jagadish can build a wall in 10 days. So Jagadish capacity 1 by 10. Narendra can build the same wall in 12 days. Narendra capacity 1 by 12. And next, while Sumit takes 15 days to do the same job. Sumit takes 15 days. It means capacity 1 by 15. Which two of them should be employed to finish the job in 6 days? In order to finish the job in 6 days, which two employees are required to take? Here, these kind of problems you can go with option verification method so that you will get the answer. Okay. Here the first option is Jagadish and Narendra. Jagadish and Narendra, you can add these two. Jagadish is 1 by 10 and Narendra is 1 by 12. Here the LCM is 60, and next here it is 6 plus 5, 11. 11 by 60, it is not equal to 1 by 6. You must get 1 by 6. Why? Because here the total work is finished finished in 6 days. Therefore, the capacity must and should 1 by 6. 11 by 60 is not equal to 1 by 6. Option A eliminated. Option B. Jagadish and Sumit. Jagadish is 1 by 10 and the Sumit is 1 by 15. Here also LCM is 60. Next, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 by 60, which is equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, Jagadish and Sumit completes the work in 6 days. Option B is the right answer. No need of checking option C and D. Next question. How many liters of 90% solution of concentrated acid, 90% of concentrated acid need to be mixed with 75% of concentrated acid to get 30 liters of solution of 78% concentrated acid? Here, mixture is having 30 liters. Mixture is having 30 liters, and we have to calculate how many liters of 90% solution concentrated acid. We need to calculate this value, right? So, in order to do these kind of problems, first calculate the ratio in which they are mixed. In what ratio they are mixing, so that the resultant is having 78% concentrated acid. According to irrigation rule, difference between these two, 78 minus 75, 3. And next difference between these two, 90 minus 78, 12. 3 is to 12, which is equal to 1 is to 4. Ratio in which they are mixing is 1 is to 4. Here, first one is belongs to 90% concentrated acid, and the second one is belongs to 75% concentrated acid. Now, here, as we all know that total mixture is having 30 liters of solution. Total mixture is having 30 liters of solution, and total in terms of ratio, which is 5 parts. 5 parts is equal to 30 liters. 5 parts is equal to 30 liters, then each part is equal to 6 liters. One part is equal to 6 liters. He is asking us to find how many liters of 90% solution. 90% is having only one part. One part is equal to 6 liters. Option C is the right answer. Suppose the question is, what is 78%? So, sorry, 75%. 75% is having, this is one part, 6 liters, and this is 4 parts, 24 liters. 24 liters of 75% concentrated acid is mixed with 6 liters of 90% concentrated acid, so that you will get 30 liters of solution with 78% concentrated acid. Okay, option C is the right answer. You need to verify that whether the question is asking about 90% quantity or else 75% quantity. Next question. See, what is the value of C? What is the value of C if 8 is 4% of A? 8 is 4% of A. So A is equal to how much? A is equal to, from this, 2 into 100, 200. A is equal to 200. And then 4 is 8% of B. 4 is 8% of B. Now from this, here it is 2 times 4 2 sir, and this is 50 times. Therefore, from this B is equal to 50. A is equal to 200, B is equal to 50. Now C is equals to B by A. C is equal to B by A. We need to calculate the value of C. B value is 50 and the value of A is 200. 50 by 200, which is equal to how much? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is the right answer. Option C. Next question. The principal amount that is A. Principal amount is A. Borrowed at A percentage. This is rate of interest. This is the principal amount. Annum per annum simple interest for A months. Time period is equal to A months. You need to convert into years. So A by 12 years. If you want to convert months to years, A by 12 will amounts to in the sense final amount. You need to calculate final amount. Final amount is equal to uh, principal amount plus simple interest. First calculate final amount, that is equal to principal amount. What is the principal amount given? A plus simple interest. What is the simple interest formula? PTR by 100, right? Here P is equal to A and time period. Time period is 12 months, which is nothing but A by 12 into rate of interest is A percentage. So A by 100. Now here it is A plus A cube by 1200. A plus A cube by 1200. You can common A over there. 1 plus A square by 1200. 1 plus A square by 1200. A into 1 plus A square by 1200. Which option? A into denominator is 1200. So option D is the right answer. A into 1 plus A square by 1200. That is the answer. Next question. Two cards are drawn from a deck of cards, 52 cards without replacement. What is the probability of getting both the cards black or getting one card queen and another one is king? See here first of all, taking two cards without replacement. First of all, there are two cases which is given. One is both the cards are black, or else another one is one card is queen and second one is king. One is queen and one is king. That is the conditions. And here it is both the cards are black color. Both the cards are black color, right? Now, without replacement, this condition is very important. Listen carefully. Uh, First of all, what you have to do is first in the denominator total 52 cards are there. Suppose without replacement word is not there, directly you can take 52 seat. Why? Because you are taking two cards out of 52, 52 C2. That is done. But here it is not like that. Without replacement in the sense one after the other. If you are taking the first card is black color, that happens in 26 ways. 26 C1 divided by 52 C1 into, after that you will be left over with only 51 cards. Once it is done without replacement, that card is again not replaced in the 52 deck of cards. Here it is 51 C1 and here it is 25 C1, right? So this value will be how much? This value here it is 26 into 25. What is that? 650. 650 divided by 52 into 51. Okay, this is the first case. This is the first case. Here you can cancel directly with 25, sorry, 26 table, 26 into 25, and this is 2 times. Next, here it is 25 by 102. First case is over, 25 by 102. And the second case, first one card is king and one card is queen. In this also, you will be having two possibilities. One possibility is during first draw is queen, second draw is king. And one more possibility, first one is king and the second one is queen. These are the two possibilities. What is the possible cases? Probability for these two. Here, 4 queens. Total we are having 4 queens and 4 kings. Probability of selecting 1 queen out of 4. That is 1/4, right? Probability of selecting 1 queen out of 4. 1/4. Yeah, here it is. 1/4. Let's just wait for a second. Okay. 5 to 10 minutes. Here it is 1 king and 1 queen. This is 1/4 and this is also 1/4. Oh no. Probability of getting one card is king and another one is king. First draw. Denominator. Right. Yeah. Guys, in the denominator, you need to take 52. Why? Because 52 into 51. Here it is. First one is 4. Here also 4, which is you can cancel with 2. Here it is 26. Guys, I will tell you how to solve. You just do the calculation part. Time is not sufficient. 25/102 for first one, and this is here it is 8/26 into 51. This is for one case, and you can multiply another case also 2 times. You will get 26 into 51. 26 into 51. Just wait for a second. Right. And cancel over there also here. Here it is 13. And this same value will be repeated twice, right? So you will be multiply with 2 so that you will get 88 divided by 8 divided by, I am talking about only this value, 8 divided by 13 into 51, 663, right? 25/102. This is the probability for both the cards are black, and the probability of getting one card is queen and another one is king. For that one, probability is 8/663. Why it is 8/663? Because here, if you are selecting first draw is queen, second draw is king, in that case, the probability is 4/52 into 4/51. There is another possibility. First draw is king and second draw is queen. For that also, your probability is this one only, right? So your required answer will be, this is 4/663. For first case 4/663, second case also 4/663. So you need to add those two values so that you will get 8/663. After that, you can add this value and this value. Once it is, if you are adding these two, what you will get is option A. You can do the calculation part. Time is not sufficient right now. Next one. What is the probability of making an even number of 4 digits? using the number 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, total 4 numbers are there. Total 4 numbers and 4 digits and 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the denominator value becomes 4 factorial. Denominator value becomes 4 factorial. After that, we need to form even number. Even number is possible. It must be ends with 2 and 4. That means 2 ways. Units place is 2 ways, and remaining 3 places are 3 places and 3 numbers we have, that is 3 factorial ways. These 3 places are filled with 3 factorial ways, and first place must be only 2 possible cases. Therefore, 2 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial value is 6 and 4 factorial is 24. Here it is 12 by 24, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Option B. Option B is the right answer. Next question. The number of 5-digit odd numbers that can be made from the number 1, 2, 3. See, odd digit numbers, 5-digit odd numbers, 5-digit odd number. Here, the units place might be any of the digits of 1, 3, 5. Why? Because here this is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Here, if you see the units place, if you want the odd number, definitely it must be ends with any of the 3 digits 1, 3, 5. So 3 ways, and still you will be left over with 3 places, and also one number is already done. Remaining 4 numbers will be left over. 4 factorial ways. 4 factorial into 3, which is equal to 24 into 3. 24 into 3, what is the value? 70. 72 ways. That is the answer. Option D. Last question. In how many ways can the letters of the word rectangle be arranged? In how many ways? In how many ways can the letters of the word rectangle be arranged such that all vowels are together? Here, first of all, write down the vowels which are there. Here, first one, E. Next, A. And next one, E again. Okay. These are the 3 vowels that we have. According to the question, all the vowels are together. All the vowels are together. Okay. If all the vowels are together, you need to write all the vowels as single entity. You need to write all the vowels as a single entity. And next, after that, what are the remaining letters left over? R, C, T, N, G, L. These are the remaining letters that we have. Okay. First, you can arrange all these letters which are composite, which are non-vowels, and vowels are together, and these are 6 are different. 6 plus 1 single entity, 7 letters. 7 letters can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. Your answer is not 7 factorial ways. So many students are confused at this point. Still, within the single entity, you will be having 3 vowels. Those 3 vowels are arranged in 3 factorial ways. Out of those 3 vowels, one vowel is repeated twice. One vowel is repeated twice. So you need to divide with 2 factorial also. Therefore, your answer will be 7 factorial into 3 factorial by 2 factorial. First of all, why we have to write 7 factorial means first arrange the all these letters. Take these 3 vowels as single entity. 1 plus 6 letters. 1 plus 6, 7. These 7 letters can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. After that, within the single entity of vowels, 3 vowels are there. You can arrange those 3 vowels in 3 factorial ways. And among those, one vowel is repeated twice. So you need to divide with 3 factorial. So your required answer is 7 factorial into 3 factorial means 6 by 2. That is nothing but 3. 7 factorial into 3. It is not 3 factorial. There is a chance of doing mistake here also. It is not 7 factorial into 3 factorial. This is not your answer. This is not your answer. Your answer is 7 factorial into 3. That is your answer. Please note down the solution. Yeah. Guys, next class will be taken care by Kiran sir. He will join the session. Just wait for a moment.
Hi, good morning, everybody. Why only very less number of people? So you're all mastered in DXC and the Kyndryl tests. Okay, let me see how good you are going to perform in the next coming interviews. Okay, I believe you have taken up this Kyndryl test for yesterday, and we're going to have the session on the same. Give me a moment so that I'll open my PPT. The climate is too good today. If you're listening to my voice, all those things, you can just reply through a message. Yes, sir, true, all those things. Okay. Oh, good. Nice. Yes, sir. The climate is very nice. Oh. Oh, you love soft skills? Okay, cool. Well, let me present you the PPT. Believe me, Kyndryl test is the easiest part. It is the easiest. But the only thing is you just have to concentrate on it and you just have to put your efforts in clearing it out. Okay, is my screen visible? Someone please message. Yes, sir, visible. Okay. So welcome to Kyndryl test 4. So as you know it, every topic these days we are actually planning to start with the articles, because articles is one of the most happening or most asked questions in any of the interviews. Okay, so first question, we bought dash bed and dash almara. Rule number 1, A is used for consonants. Rule number 2, an is used for vowel sounding words. So B, bed, bed sound, it's known as consonant A. So this is a wrong option because A should be in the first. No article is also wrong. We have to use an article over there. Almara, A, E, I, O, U. R sound is there, so it is an. We bought a bed and an almara. Okay. Next thing, has the itinerary dash at. What do you mean by itinerary? Can someone? Come on. So we all try to go to Maredmilli, or we all try to go to some other places. It's a journey. What is the route map we say? Journey or the route, that's known as itinerary. Has the journey dash at. See, at itself is says a negative one. It's a negative format. Haven't you finished at? That means you did not eat still now. That's how it goes on. Has the journey been decided at? Has the journey be decided at? Be decided at is completely wrong. Has the journey dash at? Has the journey been deciding it? Yes. Has the journey been deciding it is the right option. Okay. Now, if the same question is given has in front instead of has, if it is given hasn't, Hasn't the journey been decided yet? Been decided. Has the journey been deciding it? Is the right answer over there. Next one. If you're worried about the problem, you should do something dash it. For is reason. So this is not the correct answer. With is used only with the things or humans. So if you're worried about the problem is not a thing or a human. So this is also wrong. Against means going opposing. This is also wrong. About it is the right option. Okay. This is a simple logical question. Work hard, dash you will not pass. Work hard if you will not pass. Wrong statement. Work hard and you will not pass. This is completely wrong. If you work hard, how will you pass? If you really work hard on DXC, on these interviews and all, trust me, why will you not get selected? You will definitely be selected. Okay, so this is wrong. Work hard, otherwise you will not pass. Work hard will be you will not pass. Again, that is a wrong statement. Okay. Next one. Mira scored the dash marks amongst us. Now, let's use it. Less. This is an adjective. Correct. Now, what is the comparative form of this less? Lesser. And what is this thing? Least. So we don't use most here. That means this is wrong. Little. There is no word at all here. So Mira scored the dash marks amongst us. When you use the, you have to use only the superlative form. You don't have an option. You got to use the superlative form, and it is also told amongst us. As in the sense, out of all, she is the least. Least is the right answer. The portrait dashed by my grandmother. The portrait painted by my grandmother. That could be correct. The portrait has painted by my grandmother. If you want to use has, you got to use just now. This is wrong. So this is wrong. Now, if you have to use painted, you have to use yesterday, last night. All those things you got to use it, but that is also not there. So this is wrong. The portrait was painted by my grandmother. This is a statement. This is a statement. So this is the right answer. For all the statements, for example, he is a boy. He was dark 2 years ago. It's a statement again. Irrespective of anything, we can say this is a present simple, this is a past simple tense. Okay. Next one. You dash when the time comes. You told when the time comes is wrong. You will told wrong. None of this is wrong. You will be told when the time comes. That means you'll be informed, you'll be explained, you'll be asked. That is the correct way. Come on, find the misspelled word here. Government. Government. This is perfect. ARLE. It's a name of a place actually. This is wrong. Ledger is correct. Fortnight is correct. This is early. No need of more explanation about it. Next one. Find the misspelled word again. Addition. Edition. This is correct. Next one is drought. Draugst. Drought is correct. This is a missed one. This is a mistake. This is career. It's known as the career. Career. This is the right one. Gather. Gather. This is correct. No doubt. Next one. Epitome. What do you mean by epitome? We are asking for the synonym actually. What's an epitome? The meaning of epitome is like, putting it all together. It's like, you can say it as a summarizing. Summary is the correct word for that. Epitome means summary. So it's a straight synonym. Next one. Choose the correct antonym for the following word. Scarce. See, we are for scarcity or something we say it. Now, what do you mean by scarcity? That means in short. We are in short of that. Now, warm is a mistake. Plentiful, it is the correct one. Plentiful is the correct one. Great is wrong. Heavy is wrong. It's plentiful. Like, we have more in number. Plentiful is the correct one. Because it's an antonym. Next one. Read the sentence to find out whether there is any grammatical error in it. The error, if any, will be in one part of the sentence. The letter of that part is the answer. If there is no error, the answer is D. Shanghai is correct. Bigger than any. Oh, here is a mistake of the word. It should be than any other city in the world. She is better than any other girl in the college. Like that, Shanghai is bigger than any other city of the world. That's the correct way. Let's see one more. Do you know to play the guitar? Do you know? Correct. To play. Correct. The guitar. Correct. So option is no error. This is the right option. Next one. One of my favorite actor is acting in this play also. Can you tell me the answer? This is the mistake. There are 10 people. Okay, let's take 10 students. Now, out of these 10, I'm selecting one. One of these students is good. One of these students is good. Always remember, when you select one person from a group, it should be one of these students. That is the correct way of answering it. Okay. So one of my favorite actors is acting in this play also. So this is the right answer. Thank you. So English is very easy. The only thing is you just have to think. If you can just think and do it, English is the easiest one. But the only thing is we don't do it. We don't use our brains, and we also say English, okay, this is much easier, no problem. We feel it. Okay. So I think we don't have the class for the next one. We can wind up the session. Thank you all. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Bye all. You may leave.